These new mini lenses could be my new favorite Cine lenses. These are from a sister company of DZO, Diaphragm, which previously made affordable M-mount lenses for Leica cameras. Diaphragm decided to make these lenses available in a cinema version, aiming to create compact, affordable alternatives to high-end massive lenses used in Hollywood films. They come in a 5-lens set: 28mm, 35mm, 50mm, 75mm, and a 21mm that I will test later. These lenses are lightweight, small and full frame, with nice build quality using aluminum alloy for durability. Because they are so lightweight and small, they will appeal to anyone who wants to have an easy and light setup. It's also a great choice when you don't want to attract too much attention. Each lens has a 16-blade aperture for circular bokeh. To show how the lenses perform, I shot a short film using the 28, 35 and 75mm. These lenses have the ability to create beautiful cinematic footage, and wide open at t1.5, they keep an incredible sharpness on the subject. During my test, I was often surprised by how sharp the face details were wide open in a dark environment. The set of lenses had something familiar that I only found in vintage lenses, like the Canon FD SSC lenses. A kind of balance between perfect sharpness and dreamy bokeh. These fast lenses renders a very impressive bokeh that I think is beautiful. It does a great job of adding depth to images without turning everything into a blob. Once again, I admire the balance of sharpness with a sense of depth. One great thing about these lenses is that on the right conditions, you will get some nice swirly bokeh wide open. To show the natural color reproduction of the lenses, here is the footage in log format, and with the basic grading. Then I applied my own LUT on top. The overall color quality is true to life and easy to grade. Flares are well controlled and have an elegant but subtle look. These are clean flares, adding to the overall look without being distracting. The lenses perform very well in low light, maintaining sharpness and producing good contrast even in dim conditions. The 50mm that I tested in a pitch black cathedral is particularly good at gathering light and retaining details. The low light performance adds to the versatility of the lenses for various shooting scenarios. The 28mm lens focuses as close as 40 cm. The other lenses focus at around 45 cm. And the 75mm lens offers a minimum focusing distance of 55 cm, making it perfect for isolating subjects. I wanted to test out the lens set with different anamorphic adapters. The lenses aren't all exactly the same size, which could be a bit inconvenient in certain shooting scenarios. I tested the lenses for infrared, and sadly they have a really bad case of hotspot in the center. This will not be a problem at all for normal cameras, but for infrared shooting this is disappointing. If I had just one bad point to give, it would be to the plastic covers of the lenses. They look very cheap compared to the high quality of the product, and they seem to fall easily, so there's room for improvement here. While these lenses offer a unique, characterful image at a lower price point, they are still a great fit for professional work. It's a great option for cinematographers looking for a unique, compact lens set without the high price tag of more expensive cinema lenses.